right hand, bar 7. So you play one chord in the left hand on D and A, and you hold that while you play 1, 3, 4, 5 in the right. Now with the second 5, you jump down in the left hand to C and G. With the third 5, you jump down again to B flat and F, and you do 5, 4, 5, 1. Okay, I'm going to play that without too much talking. Second 5, jump again. Now when you squish your right hand 5 to G, you do one little jump on its own in the left, A and E, and then when you get to the bottom G, we do G's together. 5, 4, jump the left, 3, 1, 2 in the right on its own, jump, and then together at the end. Okay, I'm going to do that all slowly again. On its own, G's, up 1, right hand D, jump, together.